let's take a look. So blend is one of those segments you saw there on our rundown. We're going to show you kind of what a quick segment. They're all fast. They're around 3-ish, 4 minutes. I don't know if we'll get to the whole thing, but we'll show you a little bit of how it goes. So Doug, roll it. I don't know how to do it.
Oh my God.
Gary's good. He knows how to do it. He can solve that thing in like minutes.
Well, I did
gosh.
back in the day.
No.
Do you guys do Rubik's Cube?
No.
You can't do it?
They're like, look, we got the iced tea
I
game
can break
down.
it apart and put it back together.
There you go. There you go. Take the stickers off.
All right, Chuck and Jennifer here with Blend. Good to see you guys again.
You
Good
too.
morning.
So we love small businesses. We love what you guys got going on, and we love this because I paid a visit to you guys like last week or the week before. You got teas and shakes. Tell us about it.
Yes. So Blend is basically the healthy option for our community in Sacramento. We specialize in healthy teas and energizing opposite. Healthy shakes and energizing teas.
Perfect.
Nice.
So we're gonna do kind of like a demo
You can make
for you
healthy
guys.
and energize anything you want. It's
Yeah,
totally fine.
yeah.
But what, I guess the question I'm going to ask Gary, I know has visited you. I'm excited to do that. What makes them healthier, I guess, is the question.
Yeah, so basically our shakes, they count as full meal replacement
Doug,
shakes.
you could
so
drop
there's
out of this
21
when you want.
essential vitamins and nutrients
Okay.
in each one, and they act as full meal
So you get
replacement.
the picture
if you
there, right?
picture-
That's a typical kind of a company came in. We're going to highlight it. We're going to say what they do. But I mean, that clip, we were already a minute in. We only had probably two minutes left. So it's quick. People are moving. We're having to kind of keep that pace going. One of the things I'll say, because I know camera presence came up in some of the items that Doug thought would be important and the team thought would be important to tell. It's something I work on all the time. One, there's really two parts of it. One is when I am listening to someone, I have to really think about this part of my body, because a lot of times I will forget that like I'm on camera. And so I'll like literally get that kind of face, like it's kind of bored face, I think is what I might call it, or like maybe half annoyed, a little bit bored. And so I'll be like, come on, let's go. And I'm like, oh no, I have to like, so you have to kind of keep a smile, right? You have to kind of you have to be aware that you're like that someone's watching you the whole time, which is super weird. So that's one. Two, there's a cool trick in TV, and Gary does it way better than I do. I'm still kind of learning it, but it's where, and you saw it in that clip just really quickly. I was kind of proud of myself that I did it, is where you kind of, even though we're talking to people kind of this way, like, hey, tell us a little bit about the thing, and the camera's like where you guys are. You want to kind of check in with the camera, because as much as it's important that I'm connected with the people that are there, I also have to be connected with all of you, because otherwise you're like, hey, hi, I'm watching from home, and you're like forgetting that I'm here. So a lot of times, sometimes it's just like looking and just acknowledging that there's a camera and there's people there that are watching. So two quick things, little pointers that you could kind of remember when all of you become famous and you're all on camera and doing your thing. Just remember those couple things.